Hello everyone, myself Arun Shiva. Today we are going to see about jet propulsion. Now we are going to see a overview of jet propulsion, history, introduction, major components, working, types of jet engines, applications. History of jet propulsion. The first jet engine was built by Egyptian scientists during 100 BC. This device was known as YOLO pile. It is also called the Hero's engine or gas turbine. Then go to introduction. Jet engine is nothing but a gas turbine. It works under the principle of Newton's third law. It states that for every action force there is an equal and opposite force. Gas turbine operates like toy balloon. Next, see parts of jet engine. There are six types are known: fan, compressor, combustor, turbine, mixer, and nozzle. Next, see how a jet engine works. A jet engines move the plane forward with a greater force that is produced by a tremendous thrust and causes the plane to fly very fast. Air intake. The work of air intake were sucked in by compressor. Then compressor. The compressor are the series of vents and stators. The vents rotates while the stator remains stationary. The compressor speed and temperature increasing gradually. Fuel burner. Fuel is mixed with the air and the electric spark light the air, causing it to combust. Combusting chamber. The air is burnt. Increase in the temperature of air, thus increase the pressure inside the engine. Next, see turbine. Turbine work like a windmill. The blades gain energy from the hot gas moving past them. This movement is used to power the compressor, jet pipe, and propelling nozzle. The hot air rushes out of the nozzle. High pressure hot air rushes out at very high speed. Next, going to see the type of jet engine: ramjet, turbojet, turbofan, turboprop, turboshaft. Ramjet. It has no moving parts. It compression air depend on forward speed. It has no static thrust. Guided missile system, space vehicle use this type of jet. Turbojet. The turbojet engine is a reaction engine. Substantial increase in thrust can be obtained by the employing an afterburner. Turbofan. The objective of sort of bypass system is to increase thrust without increasing fuel consumption. It achieves this by increasing the total air mass flow and reducing the velocity within the same total energy supply. 75% of thrust is produced by the fan. These are the some example of turbofan aircraft engines. Turboprop. A turboprop engine is a jet engine attached to the propeller. Modern turboprop engine are equipped with a propeller that have a smaller diameter but a larger number of blades for efficient operation at much higher flight speed. Next, see turboshaft. It does not drive a propeller. It provides power for helicopter rotor. It permits the rotor speed to be kept constant even when the speed of generator is varied. Jet engine applications. These are the some example of jet engine applications. Thank you for watching.